Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Natural juice to lower cholesterol and triglycerides. Natural fruit juices are rich in antioxidants and fiber. They're a good option to lower the level of bad cholesterol in the blood and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attack, atherosclerosis, and stroke. In today's video, you'll learn how to make a delicious juice at home to lower cholesterol and triglycerides naturally. Now tell me when you prefer to drink juice. When you wake up, in the morning, after, or with a meal. To prepare this juice, you'll need 1/2 cup of finely chopped cucumber with peel. It's rich in fiber and antioxidants and helps decrease body fats by lowering levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides. 1/2 cup finely chopped unpeeled beet. According to an Irish study, beetroot juice helps control cholesterol levels. 1/2 cup chopped eggplant with peel. Helps lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. 1/2 cup chopped onion without skin. Prevents the formation of blood clots, improves blood circulation, prevents aging of the arteries and veins, and regulates cholesterol levels. Juice of a lemon. Rich in vitamin C, it improves the elasticity of the arteries, prevents the formation of fatty deposits, and also lowers the level of bad cholesterol, LDL. And 1 glass of water. First, sanitize all the ingredients well. Then put all the ingredients in a blender. Add the water and mix everything well. To lower the cholesterol level in the blood, you can drink 1 glass, 200 milliliters, of this juice every day with one of the meals. For example, with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's important that you prepare the drink only with fresh, unpeeled fruits. In order to lower the bad cholesterol, it's also recommended to exercise regularly and to eat a balanced diet, avoiding alcoholic beverages and fatty and sugary foods. Did you like today's juice? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like. And don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.